Yo, what's up and welcome back. This is going to be a follow-along style video for the home workout routine that I posted last week, so if you haven't checked that out, click right here to learn how to do those exercises. Otherwise, let's get started. The first exercise we're going to do is 10 push-ups. If you can't do 10 normal push-ups, well then it's perfectly okay to do them from your knees. Okay, let's get started. Five more. Good job. From this position, we're going to start the next exercise, which is going to be a 1-minute plank. If you can't do a 1-minute plank, similar to the push-up, drop down to your knees until you can do 1 full minute. All right, let's go. Make sure that you're keeping your body straight, you're engaging your core, and you're squeezing your glutes. If you want to make this more difficult, I'm going to have something in the corner showing you the advanced version of this. All right, that's 30 seconds. We're halfway there. Don't forget to breathe as well. 20 seconds left. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good job. The next exercise is going to be I's, Y's, and T's off the edge of a bed or some similar surface. When you do this, we're going to do 10 repetitions of each position. Make sure that you're not lifting your chest off of the surface to try and go further than you can. If you want to make this harder, you can put some weight in your hands as well. That's 10 for each. Good job. Next up is going to be 10 bridges. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes, you're breathing, you're keeping your core tight, and you're not letting your knees cave in. All right, it's time for 10 squats. The next exercise is going to be calf raises. That might be easy to do with no weight, so if you have something heavy, feel free to put it on your shoulders or in your hands, and we're going to do 10 repetitions. The last exercise is hamstring blaster, so get your feet on top of your bed, on a chair, or something similar, and let's do 10 repetitions as well. Make sure that you're really digging your heels into the bed or whatever surface you're doing this on so that you activate your hamstrings. awesome job. If you've been following along, that's 1 round of a 3-round routine. If you're doing these exercises one after the other, you kind of make a circuit out of it, and we're gonna do 3 rounds of it, but we don't wanna go directly into it. You wanna have about a 1-minute break in between each round. So I'm gonna try and make this outro about 1 minute long so you can just loop this video and it should walk you through the whole thing. If you have any questions about this stuff, head over to Twitch where I stream 3 days a week. My routine's kind of screwy right now because I'm living in a hotel and the internet sucks here, but I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Otherwise, share this video with a friend, like it, subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. I really enjoy doing these videos, so let me know if you enjoy that kind of stuff in the comments below. Until next time, have a fantastic workout. Peace.